Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up technical contact in domain contacts presets on Namecheap. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then get to the top right corner. Now select account and then select profile. Now scroll down, select tools. Now scroll down again, select this manage button of the domain contacts presets category. Now here you guys can see this option right here called technical contact. Now here it is. Now select its scroll down icon, select one of these options and then scroll down till the last and select right here this button called save changes. And that's how you guys can set up your technical contact in your domain contacts presets on Namecheap. And that's it for the video guys. So if you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.